Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about problem number 5 of question number 3. So here, this problem, as you can see, it is a little bit different from the previous one that we already solved. When you know that to find out two variables, that is x and y, we need at least two equations. But here, it's a single line, right? So from this single line, we have to form two equations separately. How we can do that? At first, this one we can write equal to 2pq. Okay, so p into x plus y equal to 2pq. Let us say this is our equation number 1, and then q into x minus y, this one again we can write equal to 2pq. Q into x minus y equal to 2pq. Both of them are equal to 2pq, right? So from this we have our two equations. So from these two equations we have to find out the value of x and y using the substitution method. So let us see how we can do that. From equation 1, what we have? P into x plus y equal to 2pq. As we have p on both the side, we can divide both side by p, right? So this equation will become then x plus y equal to 2q. Here in the side bracket you have to write dividing both sides by p. It's better to mention, okay? And then we know that we have to develop an expression for x or y. So let us say in this case we are developing an expression for y. So x, we have to change the side, it will become 2q minus x. Okay, so that will be our equation number 3. Now this expression of y we will replace in equation number 2, because we got this expression of y from equation 1, right? So putting y equal to 2q minus x in equation 2. So equation 2 is q into x minus y. So y will be replaced by 2q minus x. Q minus x. I had to keep this inside the bracket, and that is why I had to use second bracket here. Now why it is important to keep this within the bracket? Because when we will lift the bracket, due to this minus, this will be plus. Okay, that is why it is important to use the bracket. Please be careful, especially when there is minus. Okay, if it is plus, then there is no issue. For plus, the sign inside the bracket does not change. It will be equal to 2pq. So from as you can see, q is there on both the sides, so we will divide by q. So it will become x minus 2q. Again I'm saying minus minus, it will become plus x equal to 2p. Now this time it will be 2p, because if we divide both sides by q and q, it will be cancelled, and in the side bracket you have to write like this. Okay, dividing both sides by q. Please write it yourself. Okay, so x plus x, it will be 2x, and minus 2q, if I change the side, it will be plus 2q. So 2x equal to, you can see that we can take 2 common from here, and it will become p plus q. So from both side 2 and 2, if you cancel, then x will be equal to p plus q. And again here, better to write and mention in the bracket that what you did here, dividing both sides by 2. Okay, whatever I'm saying, kindly write it. Okay, then we got the value of x, but we need the value of y. So we will get that from equation number 3. So equation number 3, y equal to 2q minus, okay, as there is minus, when we are putting the value of x, we have to use the bracket, if you remember. Okay, or else the answer will be wrong. Minus p, and due to this minus, the sign inside the bracket will change. Okay, so then it will be 2q minus q, it will be q minus p. So that is the value of y. So hence we have our final answer, that is x comma y equal to x is p plus q, p plus q, comma y is q minus p. q minus b. Again, if you want to check whether your answer is correct or not, then what you can do, you can plug back this value of x and y in the given equation, then check whether all three expressions are equal or not. Okay, so that was the solution of problem number 5. Hope you understood. If there is any confusion, let me know through the comment section. Okay, Assalamu alaikum.